Hello, welcome to my channel Tabinda Chaudhary. Today I'm gonna tell you a very amazing and very simple recipe of iced coffee latte you drink at the Starbucks just like you can make at your home. So for this you have just to subscribe my channel and watch the video and share it. So for the iced coffee latte you just need hot water 2 to 3 tablespoons and the coffee powder and some of the sugar. These are just three ingredients which are gonna make a very calming and refreshing iced coffee at your home. So let's go for this video. So for this we will take a cup and add some hot water into it, and then we would add 1 to 2 spoons of the sugar. You can adjust the sugar and coffee as per your taste. If you like more sugar, you can add more. If you like more or less coffee, if you are used to it, then you can adjust that. But I am adding here 1 spoon of the coffee mixture. This is the 1.5 teaspoon. And mix it well because this is the hot water. This will mix well. Now take a mug in which you are going to make it and just decorate it in a roughly manner or as you want with the chocolate, any chocolate frosting or any chocolate syrup you can use for this. After that, this is the show time. You have to add the ice cubes into it and the mixture we did ready for that. After that we would add milk into it. Just listen the voice. Yeah, it's fantastic. Now mix the mixture. There you go, your iced coffee latte is ready. Beat the heat with this amazing recipe. Subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.